So, y'all haven't seen this one for a while. This is the 2002 Mercury with the Mustang swap. And yeah, as you can see, it's been in a wreck. Well, it's getting rebuilt finally after 2 years. So, we're stripping everything out of it. We're pulling the dash. We've got all new stuff coming. We got new engine coming on for it. It's getting a 10R80 trans. So, all new interior, new doors, new paint. Just completely new. And then, yeah, once it's stripped, it's going to the body shop to get all this fixed. So, all this damage will be fixed. It is going to be rather expensive. So, I'm getting ready to pull the engine. So we don't need this one. We got a new one on the way. So, this door is actually good, so we just send this one off for paint. You'll see. It's had some problems. So, I'm gonna get started on this though. And the next video you'll see is this probably going on a trailer to go to the body shop. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll catch y'all later. Alright, so engine and transmission are removed. Got the trunk strapped down, doors bungeed shut. Everything I could get out of the car is out. They're going to take the seats out when it gets to the body shop. That's going to go to the engine rebuilder. So this is going to be in the body shop for about, let's say, a month. And we're going to haul it Friday. It's going to go. So we'll load it on trailer and then we'll take it, and then that will be it. So, stuff. Love this car. I just wish it wasn't squishticated, but they're gonna fix that. I had all that fixed in over the weekend, or in the month. I say weekend. It's gonna be like a month before this thing comes back. So, I think what they're gonna end up doing is they're gonna end up cutting probably here on the A pillars, and then they're gonna cut the B pillars. I've seen the donor car that's giving its quarter panels already. So, and all of its doors. So yeah. I'm gonna order all new suspension, new brakes. We're gonna completely redo the wiring. I gotta order the computer, new fuel system. So, be an interesting rebuild, that's for sure. I'm gonna strip all the wiring, so this will be a completely rewired car from scratch. It's got new fender liners, a bunch of other stuff. interior's on the way, so yeah. It's definitely going to be an interesting project. It will look definitely not the same when it comes back. Oh, and we're deleting the ABS. So, one, it never worked, so. I don't think I'll be able to make that work with the new fuel system and computers. Fuse box is all disassembled. I think we're good.